Let's talk about changes in the U.S. immigration policies after the shooting of two National Guards last week in Washington, D.C. Hello, my name is John and welcome. USA MONDE. Some of you guys already are aware of what is going on. They know that there is a change in U.S. immigration after the shooting of those two National Guards in Washington, D.C. last week. Okay, I made a video on talk about few consequences regarding that shooting, and this week there are more consequences, more changes that comes to the immigration system here in the United States of America. So the first change is that the U.S. government pauses immigration application of applicants, nationals of all those 19 countries that were banned last June by the Trump administration. So if you're from those countries, I list those countries in my previous video. You can go and watch that video. If you're from that country, then all your immigration application will be paused. You cannot get any decision. The USCIS won't be able to move forward with your application till when, I don't know. But yeah, that is what is going on. So on top of that, not just immigration applications from nationals of those countries, but the U.S. citizenship ceremonies will be paused as well. Some of you guys who are green card holders who apply for your citizenship and you are getting ready to go to your U.S. naturalization ceremony, you cannot go. If you're from those 19 countries, you cannot go yet. I don't know when exactly they're going to resume that, but right now you cannot go. If you're planning to go there maybe this month, it won't be possible. But hopefully at one point they're going to resume that. The second update is regarding work permits. Okay, some of you guys who are asylum or who are refugees or who are protected by the U.S. government, basically you grant protection of the U.S. government. Well, you know that you will need a work permit to work here in the United States of America, especially if your case is pending. Those applicants who will file their work permit after December 5th, which is today, well, your work permit validation period will be reduced to 18 months. Okay, that's another change. So the reason why they're doing that, according to them, to the U.S. government, they want to screen and vet them frequently when they go to renew their work permit. So I think previously it was like the maximum is 5 years, but now the maximum duration is going to be 18 months. I know we talk a lot about I-130 petition on this channel, so if you have a relative who lives in those 19 countries, they're gonna get a visa from those 19 countries to come to United States of America. As of right now, the way things are going, it's gonna take longer before they even get an interview appointment letter and go to the interview. I know previously when they banned those countries, they say immediate relative, for example, spouse of U.S. citizens, parent of U.S. citizen, or children under age of U.S. citizen won't be affected. I think it's still the case, but I'm not 100% sure. But I know for sure that if you are not immediate relative, you won't get your interview appointment letter yet. You still have to wait. So I know it's kind of frustrating. Some of you guys won't like that. You get angry, all that. But one thing you have to know is that there are stuff you can control in life and there are stuff you cannot control. Things like this, you cannot control it. It's coming from the U.S. government. Hopefully, once the U.S. government has a very good system to vet immigrants coming into the United States of America, I'm sure everything will come back to normal. Thanks for watching.